Hello friends, my name is Dr. Santosh Kumar Gautam. I am working in the field of journalism and mass communication since 2009. Today we will discuss factor affecting film budget. Film budget is an essential part of filmmaking process. It plays a dominant role throughout the film life cycles, with implication going far beyond the mere cost of the film. Perhaps the most tangible aspect of a film budget is that the amount that a distributor will pay for a film is almost always calculated as a percentage of a budget, regardless of the script, the cost or anything else. The film budgeting usually occurs into two phases. One's primary budget for searching financier to tell them an amount which would be spent during film production. Another is secondary film budget, which is done after securing film finance. It is actual assumed budget for film production. Instead of two stages of film budget, the film production cost is still unknown, unpredictable. It may be increased or decreased due to uncertainty of event in the film production. The factors that can affect the film budget of a film are as follows. Number 1. Setup cost ablaze. The film producer takes insurance policy for film to avoid losses during the shooting. Film producer spend crores of money to take setup for film shooting. Sometimes producer have half or one-third money for setup budget of the film budget. But sometimes setup of a film shooting caught fire. The insurance company will return only damage amount due to fire. It will affect film shooting schedule payment which have been given in advance. The advance payment cannot be reversed back. It will ultimately affect the film budget. Damages broken and lost. Equipment are used during video recording. They are very costly, such as cameras, lighting, mounting equipment, kits, lens, portable audio recorder, etc. These equipments are mostly hired as per day basis rent. If any production equipment are damaged, broken, lost, the equipment lender will charge damaged, broken, lost amount of the equipment from film producer. It will ultimately added in the film budget, which is another factor of affecting film budget. Number 3. Overtime. During making of the film budget, producer includes overtime budget for video production. But sometimes overtime budget increase above its actual budget due to incompletion of daily schedule in decided time. Generally, director considers 12-hour shooting schedule for a day. But sometimes it takes more time from fixed schedule. For example, if we are shooting a song, actor or actress are unable to give performance as per director's expectations. In that case, it would take more time, which will be affect the film budget. Number 4. Unfavorable weather for film shooting. Weather is a very important factor for a film shooting. It can affect and increase budget of a film. Bad weather such as rain, snow or gusty winds, anything that can ruin or delay your shoot, and it may run out of time. Shorter bad weather can be managed through contingency budget, but longer bad weather can affect budget of the film production. Number 5. Locations and permission for shooting. Whether you are shooting indoor or outdoor, and unless you are shooting in your own backyard, you have to need to secure location. There are services that can help you secure locations either through the city permit office or through your local film commission. To save your time and money, map out your location carefully. You could lose a location because the property owner forgot you were supposed to be filming there and made other plan for the property on that day. Your best backup to avoid this or a police shutdown is to have a written contract or permit in hand for your ideal location. In case that is not enough, plan an alternative location for the shoot to keep your production rolling. Otherwise, it will affect your film budget. Number 6. Equipment failure. Whether you are shooting your project with film stock or video, you absolutely need to test your equipment. This rule of thumb goes for lighting, cameras and all mechanical equipment used for a production. But let's say you tested your equipment before your scheduled shoot and halfway through it the equipment stopped working. If you do not have extra equipment, film shooting will shift next day. Due to shift of film shooting for next day, it ultimately increases 1 day of film production cost. Number 7. Inflation. Inflation is another factor which will affect film budget. If inflation is high, the expenses on entertainment goes up and production budgets have been affected. Inflation hits all the players in the chain from pre-production to post-production. Inflation occurs when the prices of goods and services increases, such as wages of actor as well as people involved in the production. This make cost of production expensive, which in turn affect the budget of the production. Number 8. Running out of the schedule. Scheduling is the key to a successful production. So, the more organized you are, the more you will save the time. Make sure that you are very much prepared with the script. Who has to speak what, where the camera has to be, what kind of angles you need. Sit with your cinematographer, have a good time spent with him, otherwise it will cost you too much. Rather than trying experiment a lot of things in the actual shoot location, because you would have paid rent, you have paid rent on location, equipment, artist, makeup artist. So if you are doing experiment there, of course your budget is going to double up. So make sure that you complete your production in right time with your budget. Otherwise it will affect your film budget. Number 9. Pickup days. In filmmaking, a pickup is a small, relatively minor shot filmed or recorded after the fact to augment footage already shoot. When entire scene are redone, it is referred to as a reshoot or additional photography. If you are going for pickup days, most of the producer have a pickup budget for 10 to 15 days. If shooting goes beyond the 10 or 15 days, the budget ultimately will increase. Number 10. Accidents. if any accident happens during shooting, then you have to suffer your budget. Two cases can happen during shooting. First, the accident happened in the set during shooting, then you have to increase or manage for budget that you have in that situation. Secondly, if the main lead actor get injured, then you have to arrange other artists for continuing the shooting. So you have to pay them also. This will also affect your budget. Accident happens suddenly, so you have to prepare for this situation during shooting. In last, we can sum up in this lecture. Number 1, setup caught ablaze. Number 2, damages broken and lost. Number 3, overtime. Number 4, unfavorable weather for film shooting. Number 5, location and permission for shooting. Number 6, equipment failure. Number 7, inflation. Number 8, pickup days. Number 9, accident. Number 10, unavailability of lead actors. So friends, this is all about factor affecting a film budget. Thank you for watching.